Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. Today's video is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial teaching you how to do this wing liner. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieve this, stay tuned. Okay guys, to get started on this simple wing liner, I'm going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner. I have some mascara for afterwards. I have some concealer just in case it's not perfect, then you could make it perfect with the mascara. And I also have a concealer brush. Alrighty, so I'm going to zoom you guys in so you could see exactly what I'm doing. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the bottom lash line as a guide. So you're going to act like there's a line here and then you're going to extend it, right? On both sides. So from the corner or from here, you're going to extend it like that. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. Alrighty, so here's my little brush. Some people use like a felt liner, but this is what I like to use. Alrighty, so first thing you're going to do, you're going to draw a line here. Okay. All right. And now, I like to work with both eyes at the same time. So I'm going to go in on the other side. The same thing. So from the corner here. And so now let's just draw the same line on the other side, right? Alright, so I'm looking down in my mirror. And I'm going from this corner here and I'm just going to extend it. Alrighty? So that's all we did first. Now, it's like you're making a V, right? So now, I'm gonna zoom you guys all the way in. It's very close, but so now I'm going to get the same brush, hold it sideways, and you're going to make a V right there. All right, see that? Okay. Okay, all right, let's work on the next side. All right, so now fill that in, right? You just fill in the line that you just created. So far, easy, right? All right, let's fill in this side. Okay. You're going to take your time and then you don't have to try to make one line going across. You can just do it in steps. Okay? So you're going to look down so you could see your lash line, right? Alrighty? Then I'm going to go from here and I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to take my time, right? I'm just going to draw a line from here over. To connect with that line. All right? So take your time. And then we're just going to fill in the space. You could make it thick or thin, however you like it, but for today's video it's a little thick, but you know, as you desire. So when you open your eyes, right, you want to make sure that this line here, it's even. See how there's a little dip right there? So I'm just going to use this. If you want to make the tail a little longer, you can. Now let's go back on the other side and do the same thing. So you take your time from the front. You can go here. Stop right there if it's too much for you to go all the way across, right? And then continue. Like so. You look down so you could see it, and then we're just going to go back in with our brush inside our little tube bottle and fill it in. You want to make sure they're as even as possible. So for example, right here in the front, there's a little dip right here. So I'm going back and I'm filling in that dip. Alrighty, and let's do the same thing that we did on the right side for this side. Most people, you know, they'll probably use their right hand. I'm just using my left hand because that's what I feel more comfortable doing, and I'm ambidextric. So you can use your right hand if you're right-handed, or if you just use one hand, and then you can go from outer to inner to connect that line. You know, you just fill in the gaps to make sure that it have the same consistency or the same thickness on both sides. Now, this is where the concealer comes in. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, right? Just a dot. Like, let's see, like that much. And I'm going to dip my brush in it. Not too much, right? All right, I'm going to go at the corner here, and if I feel like, you know, it's not as sharp as I want it to be, you use a concealer and clean it up. Even if it's at the top, you just use a brush and make that sharp. See the difference? And then you just get a little, you know, makeup brush and blend out the edges of that, right? Like so. This side, I think it's good. And even like right here, there's a little tiny part that I see that I need to fix. Look down and just like sharpen up that part right there. Okay guys, now that's how I do my liner. You just make sure the concealer that you just used is gone, and you just, you know, you just perfect it. I hope that was easy for you to follow, and I hope you try it, and good luck. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. This was my quick tutorial of how to do a wing liner. So I hope you learned something from this video. Leave me some comments down in the description box. Let me know if you think it was easy, if it was too difficult, if you want me to do an easier one, let me know. So I hope you learned something. All I did was I just went ahead and I put a little bit of mascara on. If you want at this time, you could put lashes on, but I'm not really going anywhere today, so I won't be doing that. I hope you enjoy the video, and before you leave, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Also, please turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, I hope to see you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye.